kung wala kang maramdaman pag pinapanood mo, may ginagawa kang mali. Alam mo naman kailangan mag-push pag naboboard na kayo sa ginagawa nyo. When you get bored with the shit you're doing, that means you're not growing anymore. That's your boredom telling you na, hoy, na-max out na kayo, kailangan nyo mag-level up. Sobrang sa dungeon na to, wala na. Okay na.
Wala na. Nakakuha nyo na lahat.
Nakuha na mo lahat ng loot, wala nang kailangan gawin. Mamamatay na yung soul mo.
Lipat ka na ng ibang daan.
Kailangan mo ng mas malakas na challenge kasi hindi ka nag-grow. Wala ka na. Diba? Parang ganun. Diba? Get? I actually think like what I've learned, kasi I was also learning some creative things. The best thing, like the best creativity is the most personal one. The one you do for yourself. Kasi doon mo hindi dinadilute yung vision mo eh. Gusto mo lang masaya ka and you wanna do it to the best of your ability. Sabi nga nila, as Martin Scorsese quote, nung nanalo yung Parasite, sabi niya, the best creative work is the most personal one.
When I was young and studying cinema, there was a saying that I carved deep into my heart, which is the most personal is the most creative.
That quote was from our great Martin Scorsese. So...
I mean, if we're quoting naman din, sabi rin ni Quentin Tarantino na, I'm just making movies for myself. You are free to watch it.
Whoa. Exactly. That's the shit.
That I've always made my movies for me anyway, all right? I make them for me and everybody else is invited and they can do with them what they will, so...
At the end of the day, everyone's connected because we're all human beings and feel the same type of emotions. And ironically, the more specific you are, the more relatable it is for everyone because that's when it becomes more potent. Ako lang yan ha. I mean, I'm not saying that's just my personal stance on it after doing this. Think of it like you edit for everyone. Meaning, ano kayang magugustuhan ng tao? Versus ano kayang gusto kong sabihin?
Ano yung gusto kong mapanood?
Like Parasite, diba? That was also, I think, a very, very personal one based on the director's life.
I think kaya ako napangitan sa Mickey 17 kasi hindi siya personal.
Sa?
Sa Mickey 17, yung next niya sa Parasite. Napangitan ako doon eh.
Oh, kasi success eh.
Ayaw nga, sabi mo.
Hindi na kasi personal yun eh, yung Mickey 17.
Kasi it's the ano eh, it's alam mo everyone gets it pag nag-succeed. That's why they say the first album's the best, the second album is when you become successful. So rarely does the second album do as good. Kasi nangyari, as a human being, naging successful ka. Naramdaman mo na lahat, nakuha mo lahat. So pag nakuha mo lahat, anong gagawin mo? Nakuha mo lahat ng pera. Anong gagawin mo? Oh, I gotta do this shit again so I can... Nawala yung human, nawala yung soul na parang... And everyone goes through that, ha? You'll go through that in phases in your life. You guys might go through it. But understand that you have to learn how to go through it as a human being.
I think yeah, like based sa usapan natin ngayon, mas nagigets ko na I think nangyari na nga sa amin yon na ngayon ko lang napansin. Like, ever since na medyo nag-boom kami, mas nandun na kami sa point na ano yung gusto ng ibang tao mapanood. Rather than ano yung gusto naming mapanood. And I think now na medyo bumabalik na kami doon.
Yeah.
And medyo magandang timing din na naririnig namin to sa'yo ngayon kasi hindi namin alam kung ano yung nangyayari. Pero ngayon nakikita na namin na, okay, ginagawa na natin ulit yung gusto natin.
Gets. And you know what's so funny? Creativity is unlimited. Is infinite. Sinasabi niyo ba yung gustong-gusto mong gawin para sa sarili mo, hindi mo pwedeng gawin in a way that's interesting? Diba? Gets mo? Like, like you can do it however you want. Whatever is personal to you, you can create it. I could have like shot this so many different ways. This is one interpretation of an edit of what the vision I saw. Sinasabi mo ba? Who says that you have to think about everyone all the time? Fuck that. Who says that you can't make everything that's personal to you interesting? Yan ang tanong nyo sa sarili nyo. Who says that you can't make anything that is so personal to you interesting?
Exactly.
Diba? Yeah. So learn that. I'm glad you're at that. Kasi ako, friend, I went through that eh, na parang success. Ganito, ito na yung sigurong gagawin ko. Itong papakita ko sa tao. Ito na yung version ko. Paliputang na, ito. Hindi ka nakikinig sa kaluluwa mo. You're not listening to your heart. You're not making a wholehearted decision na sa'yo. Or at least it's not anchored in self na ikaw talaga yung iniisip mo. Hindi yung parang ano kayong gustong pakita ko sa tao. Ako yung ano. So you guys went through it?
Yeah, I think.
For how long?
We went through it, pero I think until now, actually, medyo eye-opener tong usapan na to, I guess. In a way.
Nagre-resonate ng konti?
Nagre-resonate siya ng konti. I mean, yeah, like, parang...
Nag-align yung stars sa part na to.
Kasi kanina parang nag-uusap kami ni Judah na, Judah, parang ayoko na nagsushoot tayo na nasa bahay lang, nasa condo lang. Parang gusto ko kapag dumating yung pera natin from this project, mag-book tayo ng Ilocos. Gusto ko mag-shoot dun sa yung disyerto doon. Gumawa tayo ng parang parody ng Lisan Alahib. Ganon. Tapos nasa Ilocos na rin tayo. Punta tayong vegan. Mag-shoot tayo ng something na about sa makalumang Pilipinas na comedy sketch. Parang ganon.
Are you doing
Tama,
that?
gusto ko
Whole trip
gawin
na
yun.
yun.
Yan ang gusto mong gawin. Are you doing that because you're trying to get out of a rut, or are you doing that because yan talaga yung gusto mong gawin?
Kasi gusto niya.
Yun talaga yung gusto kong makita eh. Like, wala kasi ako nakikita ng content creator na pumupunta sila sa location na to para i-shoot tong sketch na to. Kasi it's more of laging green screen or i-imagine mo na lang.
Gets.
Ako gusto ko nandun talaga tayo sa disyerto. Mas
Ma-feel
nakakatawa
mo.
yun.
Nakakatawa.
Oo, diba?
The best. Kakayang ginawa natin. Sinut talaga natin. Binuhay talaga natin. May location, all of those things. Gets yun? You have to do... And listen, you don't have to go to Ilocos to do that shit. Sometimes there's something in the bedroom that you just really want to do. You just have to exercise what lights a fire in you. Sabi nga ni Jordan Peele, if you're not having fun doing it, you're doing it wrong.
If you're not having fun writing, you're doing it wrong. I can't worry about this movie getting made. I have to write my favorite movie that doesn't exist.
With your writing.
Exactly.
If you're not like, you light your, it's a fire na parang putang ina gawin natin to. Or you're just like mag-isa ka na like putang ina nakakaputang ina.
Oh, I felt that again kanina nung may sinusulat akong sketch tapos pinapa-act ko kay Judah na putay na tawan-tawa ako na sinusulat ko pa lang tawa na ako ng tawa.
That's it.
It's a parody ng yung Superman again, yung monologue niya.
Gago.
Pero si Judah yung Superman. Tapos parang
Ikaw yung
parang-
director.
hindi. Ako si Lex Luthor, magpapakalbo ako bukas. Papakalbo ako si Lex Luthor. Tapos parang it's about Bisaya versus Tagalog again. Tapos sabi ko, you fucking Bisaya! Tapos si Judah, that's where you're wrong, Lex. Pero in Bisaya.
Hindi ka mauwana, Lex! Tapos naka-Superman costume.
Naka-costume siya ng Superman na may Superman costume kami. So
That's
naka-costume
so good.
kami. Fully outfit.
Isa kang basurang Bisaya!
Anak ka, dili sakto, Lex. Pinoy pagkuparehan ninyo. Mukha akong pagpag. Mukhawat mong copper wires.
And who says that you can't be lit? Like, who says that a fire can't be lit and you always have this all the... Who says? It's just that you don't exercise that process. What happens is you think about everyone else. You think about what people might want. You want to reach success. So you think about what other white people... And on that process, you dilute your creative soul. You dilute it. You dilute what lights a fire in you. Diba? So I'm glad. So honestly, I really like what you guys are about and what you guys are doing. I really think that you guys are just starting. So push lang. Just do it. Like bring things to life that always light a fire in you. Don't go for na parang ano kayong gusto ng tao. Okay, trust me. Creativity, sinasabi nyo hindi nyo kaya. Fuck that. You can make anything that's personal to you interesting. You can always have a fire lit every time. Naging podcast
Good
pa.
talk.
Pwede na ng podcast to.
Kaya
Okay na to.
Naging podcast nga.
Oo nga, podcast na, no?
Clip na yan, clip.
Salamat guys, ha.
Sure.
May podcast na ako, ha.
puso ko ay sa'yo, di ka ba handa? Niloko mo ba ko sa huli? Ano ba ako sa'yo? 10 taon na tayo. Noong high school ako ay hinatid mo pa.